Alright guys, so we're going to be replacing the wood trim with the silver trim. I got it all here. Let's get to remove it. So this should come off pretty easy. You just pull. Now we got to figure out which is the exact replacement for it. Comes right out like a charm. Oh, look at that. We're getting a 2-for-1 special. This one's already coming out as well. Pull and play, we don't break it. Not that pull and play. Too stupid. What? I realized what I said once I said it. Yo, bro, those seats are going to be so much nicer. Okay, that came right off. Guys, I did not pre-prepare this.
I did.
No, that was like the cleanest takeoff ever.
No, I did. I barely stuck it on.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, is this the one you took off?
Yeah. That seat installation, though, would be a good video.
Alright guys, no complaining about how I'm doing this. If your hands are too soft, then you shouldn't be doing this. Here we go. So I know the car's a mess. Don't pay that much attention to it. Silver trim. I still got to do the center console or whatever you call that, but everything else is good. Open these doors. Silver. What do you think?
Looks good.
How's it? Didn't it transform the car?
It did. I can't wait to get those seats in though.
All right, what did you do?
It's flush.
It is. You just took a hammer to it?
Oh yeah.
Solid.
You look at it though.
None of low body work can't fix.
You can see my dents.
It's flush.
That's all that matters.
It's gonna pass inspection, guys.
Remember, this thing's sacked.
And then we still have a steering wheel removal and adjustment to make. I'm adding my own steering wheel that I designed. You guys are gonna see. We also need to get a new shifter knob for it, a silver one.